Hey there, I just wanted to show you really quick how I go about using the Tokyo font to create the offset text effect that you can see in all of the samples. So in Photoshop, I'm going to go in here into my text tool and set it to Tokyo. And I'm going to do Tokyo regular to start. And that's going to help give us the color separation. If you use Tokyo merged, it's just going to set it to one color. So we're going to use the regular one. I'm going to set my color to like a blush pink and type out my text. So from here, creating that offset text effect is as easy as duplicating your layer and changing the font. So I'm going to go over to my layers panel and click and drag it to this new tab there. You can also right click and duplicate your layer and name it there. And then I'm going to go back to my text tool, come up to Tokyo, and I'm going to change it to Tokyo outline. And that's going to create that offset. And then I can switch my color. And then it's done. You're also welcome to kind of move this layer around if you want it to be more offset. If you want it to be less offset, you can do that. But this automatic one is what normally happens. So one more time, you just take your regular layer, duplicate it, and change the font and the color, and you've got your offset.